Okay, folks, looking at number 15 on practice test 4, not a traditional question for picking values, but certainly one that can be very helpful here. It says A is positive and B is negative. So what I would do here is I would just see what happens if I put in X and Y values. Like, I mean, look, and we're not going to get exactly this, but like what I'll do is, let's say Y equals AX to the power of B. We know A is positive and B is negative. Let's make it like Y equals 2X to the negative 1. And just see what happens as we put in values for X and Y. So let's see what happens when you put in like X is 10. When you have X is 10, I'll make a little table here. When X is 10, 10 to the negative 1 is 1 over 10. And you can put that in your calculator. Make sure you do this. And then that would mean Y is 1/5. When X is, let's try 20 and 30 and see what happens. When X is 20, it becomes 1 over 20. 20 to the power of negative 1 means just 1 over 20. Times, and then 2 times 1 over 20 is 1/10. And we'll do one more point here. When X is 30, what happens? Well, when X is 30, again, we have X to the negative 1 just means 1 over X, or otherwise known as 1 over 30 in this case. 2 times 1 over 30 is 1/15. So what we see is our values are getting smaller as we go this way. So we can get rid of answer choice C and D based on that. And we can see that it's probably not a straight line down. This kind of looks like a straight line. The thing is, the difference between 1/5 and 1/10 is smaller than 1/10 and 1/15. So you could use these as decimals. It might help you. You know, this is like 0.2, this is 0.1, and this is I don't even know, but it's not 0.0. So the change is different, right? So that means we're dealing with an exponential graph. Answer choice B is better than answer choice A. So hopefully that's helpful.